A faith enough for a country make a radical change. 60 years witness a country growing prosperously. One dream enough for an enterprise to pursue being outstanding. 10 years verifying an enterprise's growth. During the long past history, there was a kind of strength to make each period create brilliant achievement. In the new era, let's join and witness the power of change. Contribution is a kind of happiness, because we are fortunate to be able to change the details of life. In the cities and the villages, in every place where we can focus. Self-confidence stems from the details of life. Honesty stems from the details of living. Full of enthusiasm stems from the details of living. More efficiency stems from the details of living.
《太阳能产业是一个可以让我们为之奋斗终生的产业，是一个惠及子孙后代的产业。投身这个产业，我们感到无比自豪。
Breakthrough and innovation, improvement and creation. Industry process changed because of this. When the industry in the face of low efficiency of heat-absorbing stagnation, Sunring R&D 3 target high-temperature tube technology to absorb substantial increase compared with over 93%. When the industry plunged in absorption of heat, Sunring launched successfully the energy-saving standard technology, leading Chinese solar thermal industry into thermal preservation times. When the industry kept eyes on domestic markets development, Sunring pushed China's solar into the international market, represented China around the world. Facing the economic crisis, Sunring was accepted by CCTV with 0.1028 billion. This greatly inspires people's confidence. When the countryside market developing policy met difficulty, Sunring successfully boosted. Sunring took on many state torch program projects. Sunring also participated in drafting many items of standards about realizing integration of solar energy products with architecture. Sunring has gained the International Top Award Hotel Prize in solar industry. Also becomes the first company to win International Quality Golden Star issued by BID. From a pioneer to propellant, then leader, Sunring granted the solar industry stronger basis and upgoing motion. This is a set of numbers, also a direction and a tendency. In 5 years, the solar water heaters being promoted by Sunring will be up to about 100 million square meters, which can substitute for 20 million tons coal, reducing more than 30 million CO2 emissions. At that time, energy consumption saved by Sunring annually is equivalent to 1.08 3-gauges electric power station. Each piece of solar vacuum tube will add the greenness for the whole world. Each site of solar water heater is the comfort on the earth. Sunring is showing his power in the international solar field. Sunring is changing the world and going toward the green energy road. Now, Sunring has become the biggest manufacturer and seller of solar water heaters in China. Meanwhile, Sunring products have been exported to more than 100 countries and regions. The export holds a safe lead, accounting for 15% proportion of the entire solar industry. A company is more the petitioner of social morality as well as the undertaker of solar conscience and commitment. Sunring stipulates Mother's Day as the company holiday and lists integrity and honesty as the top employing principle with the purpose of helping each Sunringer owing a grateful heart. Therefore, thanksgiving and responsibility as well as honesty and integrity become the genes of Sunringers forever. Operating with 2008 Beijing Paralympics, Sunring became the sole partner for the Paralympics cheering squad. During the period of Sichuan earthquake on May 12, Sunring, as the leading enterprise, took the initiative to donate money and materials with the amount of 4 million. In 2009, Sunring set up the National Charitable Fund with a financial investment amounting to over 10 million in the entire solar industry. "30 years ago, a little boy growing in the Dongxing farm changed his understanding to life and the future because of the arrival of educated youth from the town and the city. 30 years later, this dream has been changing China and the whole world. Today, Sunring still holds the dream of soaring on wings. President Xu Xinjian put forward the 533-100 program in 2009. Sunring will employ 30,000 workers and bring job opportunities for 300,000 people of the upstream and downstream of relevant industries in the hope of being the first enterprise with a capacity over 10 billion in the whole China solar thermal industry within 5 years. In addition, Sunring will complete constructions of the 5 major basements of the industry link in 3 years and form the international industry layout in 5 years, which aims at establishing 2 or 3 branches abroad and put forward Sunring's modernization as well as her international developing strategy. 10 years is a new starting point. Sunring will proceed and resolute to step firmly and earnestly on her progress. Each step will help the human being to be much closer to nature as well as the more and more wonderful life.